which field, which course are you interested in. It could be fashion design, it could be UI UX, it could be textile design, or it could be interior design. Placed ourselves in terms of the eligibility, and accordingly we have to apply for the examination. The pattern is different for the examinations. जो drawing के questions होते हैं उसमें एक में comic strip आपके पास आएगा. In your mind you will be able to identify कि आपको कौन सा कोर्स करना है, आपका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, एग्जाम पैटर्न को समझिए. हेलो किड्स, आज मैं आपको बताऊंगी 3 या 4 चीजें जो आपको ध्यान में रखनी होंगी बिफोर यू प्रिपेयर और decide that you have to give a design entrance examination. Firstly, you need to identify कि आपका interest कहाँ है, which field, which course are you interested in. It could be fashion design, it could be UI UX, it could be textile design, or it could be interior design. And apart from that, a lot of other design जो fields हैं वो offer करते हैं हमारे जितने भी institutes हैं, right? So what you have to do is you have to be very clear on what you want, and accordingly you can apply for NIFT, NID or USEED, right? You have to identify कि कौन-कौन से institute, कौन-कौन से courses offer करते हैं. Accordingly आप लोगों को देखना पड़ेगा कि आपको कौन सा design entrance examination देना है. Apart from this, you also have to take care of the fact कि ये जो आप course देख रहे हो, ये जो आपने stream देखी है, ये कौन से level पर offer हो रही है. Is it being offered on an undergraduate level or is it being offered on a postgraduate level? For example, NID बैंगलोर जो है वहां पे सिर्फ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट कोर्सेज है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू बी रियली केयरफुल व्हाइल having a look at all the courses that are being offered. Again, ये सारी information आप लोग प्लीज अपनी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट्स पर ही चेक करा करिए rather than any third party websites. Okay, let's move on to maybe the step number 2 that we have to take into consideration now. Now, after we have identified the course that we want to do, the second most important thing becomes the eligibility criteria. Correct? So we really need to understand कि हम कहाँ पर stand करते हैं. हमें अगर NID का एग्जाम देना है, हमें अगर NIFT का एग्जाम देना है, या अगर हमें USEED का एग्जामिनेशन देना है, तो एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया तीनों का अलग है, right? So USEED का eligibility criteria is different from the eligibility criteria for NIFT and NID. So we really need to understand where we have placed ourselves in terms of the eligibility, and accordingly we have to apply for the examination. Now, in case you want to apply for an architecture course or an architecture examination, तो वहाँ पर eligibility criteria completely different है from your design examination. So you really need to understand कि आप कौन से exam के लिए eligible हैं, right? आप कौन से institute में वो वाला course offer हो रहा है, is it being offered in NIFT, NID, and accordingly apply for your design entrance exam, right? So 2 things are out of the way. First is understanding the course that you want to do. Do a thorough research on the official websites. The second one is that you need to understand the eligibility criteria, right, for the examination and for the course that you want to do. The third most important thing would be understanding the examination pattern. Okay, like I have always said, and I will always keep saying this, that now once you have understood which examination you want to take, maybe you want to take USEED, right? Maybe you want to take NIFT. The pattern is different for the examinations. जो drawing के questions होते हैं उसमें एक में comic strip आपके पास आएगा, एक में आपके पास perspective के questions आएंगे, एक में आपके पास कुछ words से related बोला जाएगा, एक में आपको कुछ pattern बनाने को बोला जाएगा, weightage अलग है, general aptitude, drawing aptitude का. So वहाँ पर आपको examination pattern को understand करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Now after you have done that, you also need to understand कि जो drawing examination होता है वहाँ पर हम लोगों को कई बार एक स्केल which is a ruler allow करने दिया जाता है. They will allow us to use a ruler or they will not allow us. So वहाँ पर we really need to understand कि हमें free hand drawing practice करनी है या हम अपनी base lines जो हैं वो scale से draw कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. Also you have to understand कि stationery कितनी allowed है examination में, right? So we have discussed scale, but then there could be colors. Now you can't take watercolors in the examination, you can't take poster colors in the examination. So you have to stick to pencil colors, you have to stick to baby crayons, you have to stick to maybe some sketch pens. Okay, so आप अपना dry वाले जो colors है उनसे ज़्यादा practice करिए, so that once you go for the examination you are absolutely ready and you're not confused between the kind of stationery जो आपको examination में allow होगी. ठीक है? So I hope with these tips and with these tricks and keeping these 3 or 4 things in your mind, you will be able to identify कि आपको कौन सा कोर्स करना है, आपका एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, एग्जाम पैटर्न को समझिए, ड्राइंग टेस्ट को समझिए और अकॉर्डिंगली अपना स्टेशनरी भी एग्जामिनेशन में लेके जाइए. थैंक यू सो मच.